The Bill of Materials module is specially designed for industries with formula, assembly, processing, or production needs. Its core function is to synthesize a bunch of raw materials into a new finished product. It is highly applicable to the machinery and electronics assembly industries, the food and beverage processing and packaging industry, the cosmetics and pharmaceutical blending industry, and contract manufacturing and original equipment manufacturing. Wait! Do you know that managing production with traditional methods and messy Excel formulas can lead to costly mistakes, like miscalculating assembly costs and over-ordering stock based on guesswork? Also, you can't even forecast how many finished goods your raw materials can produce. No worries. Start using AutoCount stock assembly and disassembly feature right now. And using it is incredibly simple. For example, go to item B.O.M maintenance to combine the raw materials. When a customer places an order, directly go to stock assembly order to transfer the sales order over, and it will display the total assembly price here, including the overhead cost. Now, in available stock status, the updated real-time status of your raw materials are shown. Once assembly is complete, directly transfer the stock assembly order over to stock assembly. Now, you will see the automatically updated inventory quantities in the stock card report. And in the B.O.M listing, you can estimate the maximum number of products that can be manufactured based on your current raw material quantities. Of course, you can also perform a disassembly with just a single click, perfectly returning all raw materials to the warehouse with the quantities automatically adjusted. Now, let your business bid farewell to chaotic spreadsheets and move toward intelligent, standardized management. Contact CY Multitrade immediately for more free consultations.